Why does this code for initializing a list of lists apparently link the lists together? I intend to initialize a list of list with length of n. However, this somehow links the lists together. I expect to have something like. Any ideas?
The problem is that they're all the same exact list in memory. When you use the x*n syntax, what you get is a list of n many x objects, but they're all references to the same object. They're not distinct instances, rather, just n references to the same instance. To make a list of 3 different lists, do this. This gives you 3 separate instances of, which is what you want. *n is similar to. While, for I in range 3 is similar to.
Intellectual.